truck loaded with sharp steel bars. Another navigating the shifting sands. Experience the challenge, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Whoa, that John Deere tractor is having a full-blown exorcism look at its shape. Looks like the trailer's load is plotting a mutiny. Drama alert. Maybe a top hydraulic link could be the hero we need to save the day. Yep, that's the smart move for heavy-duty hauls like this. Goodbye, CLRV for 1000, sniff sniff. For years, it cruised the urban rails like a silent sentinel of the streets. It carried stories, secrets, and groceries. Now, it's taking its final curtain call. From Leslie Barnes to the scrapyard in Hamilton Farewell, old friend. It wasn't just a streetcar. It was the soul of our commute, the MVP of rush hour. Now, it's a memory in the heart of our city. Asterisk, cue dramatic music, asterisk. Behold, the mighty Kenworth 963. This bad boy doesn't just haul it, asterisk dominates, asterisk with style. Its robust chassis laughs in the face of Yemen oil rigs. Ha! Truly the heavyweight champion of the hauling world. Ha! That tractor didn't stand a chance against the tank. It was like watching a kid try to wrestle a sumo wrestler. Trying to push a giant boulder uphill with a spoon. Yeah, that's the vibe. Happy New Year, folks. Here's to more wild machinery moments. Why struggle with those clunky excavators? When you've got the almighty K700, this beast's engine doesn't just uproot trees, it makes it look like child's play. Ladies and gentlemen, the K700, a game changer. The powerful 175-inch tractor, teamed up with the skilled hands of a virtuoso operator. Together, they create a symphony of grit and grace. Not only did he pull more wood, but he leveled up productivity like a true champ. Risky work, sure, but the rewards, oh, so worth it. Dedication like this deserves a standing ovation. Any seasoned operator can pull off these stunts, but the asterisk real asterisk thrill, it's in commanding the heavy metal beasts. This isn't just work, it's a dance of man and machine. Oh my god, did you see that? Whoa, This seat and rail plow is an absolute monster. Just look at it annihilate snow like it's shredding paper. Sheer power, pure glory. I bet the crew feels like superheroes every time. Hearing that horn blast and seeing the snow fly. Goosebumps, right? It's like the train's yelling, "Move, I'm the king of this track." I know, epic, right? Wow, loading a broken bulldozer with a crane, now that's next level skill. Whoever's handling this deserves a medal. I've tried it with a Crass 257 before, and let me tell you, it's like juggling chainsaws blindfolded. Your adrenaline's through the roof, and one wrong move, boom. You've got to have nerves of steel for this. Handling that load safely is no joke. Whoa, that was a close call. Hats off to you, team. Pulling that Kamaz out of the ravine, insane. And on a road that narrow, with a fence practically breathing down your neck? I don't know how you did it. Not flipping it over while hauling it out, genius. That must have been nerve-wracking. And with an engine that wouldn't start, wheels that wouldn't turn? Talk about adding insult to injury. Honestly, it's incredible it didn't just snap in half. Bravo, team, bravo.